What is up everyone, in today's video I will show you how to set up brother L8230CDW printer or download and install drivers. So first of all, open browser and then search here printer. Now click on official website. And here you can select a window and then click on OK. Now click on printer driver. Now here you can download your printer driver. After download your printer driver, then open your downloaded files and here you can install your printer driver. Now here you can see it will be installed. Now go back and open settings and click on printer and driver. Now click on add device and click on add manually. Now follow these steps for add printer. Now here you can see my printer will be added. Thanks for watching this video.